Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about First Republic Bank. In this video we talk about stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. Stock is trading at 0.75 US dollar. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was recently at all-time high. So the fundamental FRCB stock is much pretty better than other penny stock. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and also comment all related queries.